Stop! You have been eating dragon fruit the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic partner in decoding the high-performance chemistry of the world's most visually stunning superfoods. Most people look at this vibrant neon pink fruit, also known as pitaya, and dismiss it as a bland, watery decoration for an Instagram smoothie bowl. But by treating it as just a mild snack or ignoring its specific seed-to-flesh ratio, you are neutralizing the most potent, gut-cleansing and skin-glowing medicine in the tropical kingdom. To understand why the dragon fruit is a true masterpiece of biological engineering, we have to look back at its ancient roots in Central and South America before it traveled across the world to Southeast Asia. For centuries, it was revered as a warrior's fruit, providing sustained hydration and essential minerals to those traveling through harsh, arid landscapes. This isn't just a fruit, it is a solar-powered hydration pack designed to survive the most intense heat while concentrating a massive amount of protective antioxidants. When we dive into the nutritional architecture of a dragon fruit, the density of its biological tools is staggering. While it is famous for being low in calories and high in water, the real secret lies in its unique combination of betalains and prebiotics. Betalains are the rare nitrogen-containing pigments that give the fruit its intense red or pink color, and they are among the most powerful antioxidants discovered by science, specifically targeted at reducing oxidative stress in the liver. Furthermore, dragon fruits are an exceptional source of magnesium, a mineral that over 50% of people are deficient in, which is critical for over 600 biochemical reactions in your body, including muscle function and DNA repair. But the standout feature is the tiny black seeds scattered throughout the flesh. These seeds are actually concentrated delivery systems for omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and maintaining the lipid barrier of your skin. When you eat a dragon fruit, you aren't just getting vitamins, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to sharpen your cognitive focus and stabilize your metabolic rate. The health benefits of this jewel of the desert are especially profound for your digestive system and your cardiovascular health. The unique fiber in dragon fruit acts as a premium prebiotic fuel, specifically feeding the bifidobacteria and lactobacilli in your gut. These are the beneficial bacteria that govern 70% of your immune system and directly influence your mood through the gut-brain axis. For your heart, the specialized fatty acids in the seeds work in perfect harmony with the fruit's natural antioxidants to manage bad LDL cholesterol and improve the health of your arterial linings. Moreover, the high iron content in dragon fruit, combined with its natural vitamin C, makes it one of the most effective plant-based tools for increasing oxygen transport in your blood and fighting fatigue. It is a complete internal renovation system, wrapped in a scaly, exotic skin that keeps your body's internal systems running with the precision of a fine-tuned machine. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the temperature trap and the peel mistake. First, many people eat dragon fruit straight from a cold refrigerator. This is a mistake. Extremely cold temperatures stun the delicate aromatic esters and the betalains, making them less bioactive and dulling the fruit's natural sweetness. To eat a dragon fruit right, you must let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the enzymes to reactivate, unlocking the subtle floral notes and maximizing the absorption of its minerals. Furthermore, while the thick outer peel is usually discarded, it's actually a massive source of anthocyanins and pectin. While the skin is too tough to eat raw, you can boil the clean peels to create a powerful anti-inflammatory tea, or even use them in a stir-fry to capture the medicine most people throw in the trash. Also, to unlock the omega-3s in the seeds, you should chew thoroughly. If you swallow the seeds whole, they often pass through the digestive system without releasing their brain-protecting oils. Of course, even a high-performance superfood like the dragon fruit requires some strategy. Because it is so effective at moving the bowels due to its prebiotic fiber and magnesium, eating excessive amounts, more than one whole fruit, can occasionally lead to a flushing effect in people with very sensitive stomachs. Furthermore, if you consume the red fleshed variety, don't be alarmed if your urine or stool takes on a pinkish hue. This is a harmless condition called pseudohematuria, caused simply by the high concentration of betalains. Most importantly, avoid the pre-cut trap. Dragon fruit begins to lose its vitamin C and active enzymes the moment its flesh is exposed to air. Always buy the whole fruit and slice it immediately before you plan to consume it. Selecting a superior, nutrient-dense dragon fruit is a game of stem and scale. Avoid fruits that look pale or have brown, shriveled scales. These are signs that the fruit was harvested too early or has been sitting in storage for too long. Look for a vibrant, uniform pink or yellow color with scales that are still slightly green at the tips. Give the fruit a gentle squeeze. It should feel like a ripe avocado, firm but with a slight give. If it's rock hard, it's not yet at peak medicinal value. The ultimate secret is the stem test. The stem end should be dry and firm. If it looks moldy or wet, the internal sugars have already begun to ferment. Once you have your perfect dragon fruit, storage is about maintaining that signature living water quality. Keep them at room temperature if you plan to eat them within 2 days. If you have too many, move them to the refrigerator's crisper drawer, but keep them in a separate breathable bag to prevent them from absorbing odors from other foods. By choosing the most vibrant fruit and embracing the medicinal potential of the peel and seeds, you are turning a decorative fruit into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the dragon fruit as just an exotic garnish and start treating it as the gut-cleansing and skin-protecting miracle it truly is. Your gut, your skin, and your heart will thank you.